Hey Miles,
Yeah?
what do you say to the camera? Welcome the fucking
BickdUp.
garage, mate.
BickdUp.
Brad.
Today we're working on the Brumby.
We put a new carby gasket on the carby. The issue is, the brand new carby gasket isn't the right carby gasket, but it's so close. I think with some modification, she's gonna fit a little Debski RTV, maybe like 2 or 3 Debs.
So a couple weeks ago, I took the throttle body off and cleaned out some jets and shit. Cleaned it up quite a bit. It was quite clogged. I wish I would have recorded before, but basically you try to start it a million times and it wouldn't really stay running for the first 15 times probably.
It would also, sometimes it would like only accelerate if you just meted it. Like it would only run at full throttle.
Oh yeah, and then if you did get it started, if you pushed the throttle at all, it would just die.
Yeah, unless you went straight to full throttle and it came onto the main jet.
Yeah.
And then it would run okay.
Because what was it? The pilot
Yeah,
jet
like
was not
the
even,
little jet right there, just wasn't squirting anything.
Nah, that thing was clogged as fuck.
Nothing was coming out of it. Like we pulled the intake off and I was like giving it gas and you could see it just absolutely suck
Yeah.
the main jet. And then the pilot jet just nothing's coming out, completely bone dry. Like yeah, it's not good, mate.
I don't think I've showed the Brat off yet. So let's do that quick. This is my 1986 Subaru Brat. I bought it for way too much money because it was pretty much Miles' fault, honestly.
Yeah.
I was like, what about like $1,000 less than what you said since it's got holes in it?
He's like, no.
He's like, nah, I know what it's worth.
This is what it's worth. I could sell this tomorrow for this.
There's a guy coming to buy it like tomorrow if you don't, so. Like I should have done before, and like what I do with all my Subarus, I join the Facebook owners groups for them.
That was a mistake.
What?
Joining the Facebook Brat owners group.
Because someone offered me to take his rust-free for 4K.
Yeah.
And then I was sad because I bought this for that much, and it's pretty much fucked. But you know what? Good for content, starting this YouTube channel up. And there'll be a lot of Brat videos because it's gonna teach me how to do body work, pretty much. I don't know, the interesting thing with this though, is out of everything that I have so far, well I haven't really driven the STI around much because I don't have the title for it.
Have they seen everything about the Canadian STI?
Oh well,
trip?
this is...
Is that posted yet?
No.
This car, getting that here was a fucking trip.
Yeah, no,
we broke many laws.
like that video is gonna be insane.
That was that was like the most wild fucking experience. We were both so fucking exhausted.
Yeah, that video is gonna be fucking wild.
All right, now we need the RTV, Artivicus.
Artivicus. Come in right up.
Oh, you gotta be quicker than that. Oh.
Hey, where's the top of this carb? Also, where's the float? Like where are all the pieces that are gone?
There was some spring somewhere that was kind of annoying. I'll send you pictures.
I found one jet you missed that's very not happy. Yeah, it's weird. There's like jets in the top of the carb. It's kind of yeah, but there's one that's very clearly. I'm gonna deal with that quick.
Huh? Alright, ready to try. Reach your hand out the top. Nah, I'm just kidding. Here. Ching! Give her a shot. Oh, the battery's dead. Make some love. Hey, you don't need those. It's a sunny day out. I hit the magic touch, Miles. What's up?
Fuck, it did until you did a very simple task. Oh, I got it. Okay, it's out.
Okay, let me look for more fucking keys.
I'm gonna try it on the door, first on the door, then we'll just spray some fucking TV blaster on the key and then put it in. That's the STI key.
That is?
Yeah, this is the STI key.
This is also the STI key. Hey, you guys know what lots of shit boxes means? Lots of keys.
I feel like it was a small key, wasn't it?
I don't know. I don't think so.
No, you're on the jumper cable?
What?
Let's throw the cables on. I think the throttle's stuck.
Yeah.
Press the gas.
So when I pushed it before, it like moved way too much? Is that what you're saying?
No, when you pressed on the gas, it just like barely cracked the throttle open. Like it just did not move at all.
Okay, here's to the floor.
Okay, let off. Do it again. Put it flat. Let off. Yeah, why ain't that doing shit? Oh, hey, there's a spring missing. That probably.
Oh.
So put that spring there. I think that's wrong. That's the wrong goal.
That was a. I don't exactly remember where it goes, but it was pretty fucking shitty to take off.
Oh, I think I see.
So the shittiest spot you find is probably
Yeah. I think I'm seeing where it's supposed to be.
Let's just adjust the idle so it's like barely on.
Now try the gas pedal. Tell me if that feels normal.
Yeah, definitely didn't feel.
Does that feel regular?
I think so.
Try and start it.
Yeah.
I'll hook up the cables.
There you go.
Put the air cleaner lid back on.
Yeah.
And then try it. That way we don't have a massive vacuum leak. Basically.
Yeah. The pilot did start shooting.
Get it?
Yeah. It didn't at first.
Took a second? Yeah. I'm concerned about that one little spring that's just kind of dangling.
You're good.
This is how you maintain the healthy tread.
Yes.
You want to take it around the block and give it the old Italian tune-up?
Yeah. No idle though? Probably
Huh?
gotta adjust the idle. Well, there's no idle.
I'm just going to maintain it with the pedal. We'll see. How she drive. Oh, it's kind of rough-hanging.
I can already tell it feels a lot better than it used to. It's just trying to commit suicide.
No, I'm trying to make sure. I don't trust it to idle yet because the battery's not charged.
What the hell?
Oh, well, that's weird. So full throttle, if I let off to like 3/4, it kind of picks up more. So I think we still have some kind of issue. Come on, baby.
It's so mad.
Dude, it was fine for like half of a pole there.
Oh no! Filled it with diesel.
Oh no, Brumby's in danger!
Oh shit.
You want to take Casper for a rip?
Yeah. It's ready. Oh god. Oh.
It's slower than that.
What? What'd you say?
It's normally faster than that.
Yeah.
Like, it's not fast, but normally it feels healthy through all gears.
It doesn't feel very healthy from here. Bonk. This needs to be on gravel, and then it's fine. Yeah, just park it right there for now.
Now it's fine.
Now it's fine.
Yeah, literally it's fine now. Nah, it's
it kind of, it's like fucking nitrous.
Yeah, I don't know. I think maybe the choke is stuck on.
Oh, that could be what that spring's for.
Yeah, that's my thought. Maybe we should just order the correct gasket. It might have.
Whoa, don't block Caspa. Caspa's ready to come out. Oh fuck. Okay. We got the idle adjusted. We took the carb off, or we took the throttle body off to check the carb one more time. And it's, I don't know, we checked our gasket or whatever, and the float might have been bent. So that could have been causing our issue too. But it wouldn't, still, it ran a lot better, but it still wouldn't idle on its own. So we adjusted the, we adjusted the idle with a little screw in the front of the engine. So now it does idle, and we just took it for a drive, and it's a very nice. Now we're gonna take it about an hour and a half away on the interstate and see how that goes. We're gonna try to pick up my air compressor for the garage shopper. See how that goes. But it's been a good ass day. We just took Casper to get his plates and his registration. He's got regular plates, sadly. We think we might have found where the coolant's coming from too, but look at this view. Look at this awesome view. Holy schmoly.
All right.
Yeah.
We're in the Brat.
I'd say it went well.
It did.
And it still made her. Let's go.
We got the engine lift in the back.
It still does this though.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a little intense. We're heading to Sioux Falls, and we're going to do some gang shit. Hell yeah.
We got oil pressure. They didn't do the
It's doing 70 right now.
Yeah, we're going 70 right now.
It's going 70, and we have 25 pounds of oil pressure.
Yeah, that's good. All
That's,
right.
oh,
Hey, well, it's not sputtering anymore.
it's not sputtering anymore.
Put the pedal to the floor
Right.
and
Hold on. Slow down to 65. How's the oil pressure there? Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Oh no.
It's like when you get on the gas, it drops. It's so weird. Go 70, fuck it. This thing's been doing it forever. Who gives a shit?
I'm trying to get back up there.
it takes a while. The
I'm
old
floored right now.
the old 4-speed.
It goes. It's going up a mile a minute. A mile per hour.
Oh, man.
Now we're at 65 minutes. There.
All right. Well, let's get to the U-Pullet and then reconvene.
We're gonna grab some more shots.
Really nice and like a blue.
A blue? I was thinking like cherry red.
That could be cool too.
Yeah. Hey, same spot. Like what? 200 miles? No, not 200 miles.
Probably like 160.
Yeah, she made it. We dropped off went to the U-Pullet. We dropped off the engine lift. We picked up an air compressor.
We
Fuck
got
yeah.
the U-Pullet with 30 minutes to spare, and we pulled off 4 camp gears and a timing cover in like on a front end wreck car.
Yeah, that
30
sucks.
minutes.
Nice.
That was fucking mint.
Whoosh. That's probably the best one so far, and I think I missed it.
The best start? Oh yeah, dude, she was fucking mint.
It's Miles' turn finally to drive.
Yup, we are off.
We did have to adjust the idle again.
We had to very misadjust the idle. We definitely need to fix that float. But it needs to maybe like 2 mils of adjustment. I bet the 11mm is the right spec for it. But
Yeah.
the only thing I could find saying that the flow level should be 11mm was some guy who was like, I found a number online, but it says it's for an SVX, which is not carbureted.
But I think you're right about setting it down and getting bent because, yeah, I don't know what else it would have been because we didn't really change anything else.
We took it off. We put a dab more RTV, but it was sealed before, and a little tiny vacuum leak like that wouldn't cause that much weird.
No. Like it wouldn't even, you couldn't like put the gas down and it would be like,
Yeah.
maybe.
Now it's back to liking wide open throttle.
Yeah, you can put the pedal down and it's like, okay, I think we're going.
Yeah. Just probably turn on my headlights.
It's still slow, but it's definitely heavier. Like you can, it's running the way it should.
Oh,
Mostly.
yeah, mostly. It's making peak power like it should.
Yeah.
It's not like hurting. It'll do 75 comfortably.
We did a
without
road,
making a sweat.
we just fucking road tripped it. No biggie.
Yeah.
That's fucking
Next,
sweet.
Next, we'll take it to the hills.
That's the furthest we've driven it since we picked it up.
We should boost this motor.
Yeah, fucking VF11.
Before like an EA81 or an EDJ22 swap or like a Forester swap.
Yeah, like if we do decided to EJ22 swap it, we definitely should boost this first. That'd be sweet.
This thing is so sick.
Dude, it does really good on under, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's in front wheel drive too.
It is.
Now for the fun part, getting it into reverse.
No. Not reverse. It doesn't like reverse.
I'm gonna do this.
It's the Veeb.
I'm gonna cheat.
Yeah. Good job.
That's the curb.
Jeez. Jeez.
I really thought this had more turning circle than that.
I had to put it in reverse again.
Yeah. You ready for this?